blockers. Well, ladies and gentlemen, in view of the fight of Manny Pacquiao, we do not have any games on Sunday, but we do have our semifinals game continuing here on Tuesday at the arena. Ateneo St. Lazaro also in our first game, and NU taking on Adamson in our second game. And now Rina Villamor has the latest from the sidelines.
Yes, that's the latest. So first up, we have to talk about Lady Falcons coach Minerva, who reminded her girls, that this game will all boil down to how focused and disciplined they are competing with a newbie in the hard court. Now, according to Coach Minerva, they have to play to their advantage considering na mahina nga ang depensang pinapakita ng Lady Stingers. Meanwhile, for Coach Roger Banzuela, they need to minimize their errors. They need to read the Lady Falcons defense and adjust quickly with each place. Recovery is very important for them. Back to you guys.
Well, thank you very much, Rina Villamor. And of course, birthday greetings are also in order here. To Romel Santo Domingo, one of our staff members here at Sports Vision. Yan po, si Romel Santo Domingo, who just turned 17.
Happy birthday.
Gonzaga, I think she looks like she's 17. But
Yeah.
she's already been a guest player here before.
Also, no na.
No, hindi na.
Well, leading scorers here for LaSalle, it's of course Orendain and Aiza Maizo. For Adamson, it's the two Bs, Benting and Bautista. Bautista actually lording it over everyone with 10 kills.
Janice Dolar going long on her serve, tying it up once again at 9 apiece. So now serving is Angelica Kinlog.
Kinlog has also lost a lot of weight.
Well, it looks like the training regimen nga nitong Adamson. Have you ever been, if you've been to their campus in San Marcelino, it's not really the coldest place on earth.
Oh yeah, I actually have. It's still the same?
It's the same gym.
Okay.
Nandun pa rin sa may quadrangle, papasok ka doon. It's a very warm gym. Barry Pasqua has found something ridiculous to look at once again. As Kea Plaska gets it done. We are tied at 10. And Jovelyn Gonzaga now the serve. Noreen Go is laughing also. Barry Pasqua is a very funny man. Here is, great defense by Aplaska on that attempted spike coming from Pao Soriano.
That's right. Well, the set was too low.
So now Jovelyn Gonzaga trying to give a more comfortable lead here to St. LaSalle. Middle of the second set. Adamson won the first set 25-19. Jansson. And here's Gonzaga down the middle. Bautista is there. Makatuno. And that will find the line from Pao Soriano.
Nobody home. No way somebody's gonna retrieve that.
Oh, wala na.
No way.
Kahit kung nandito pa si Reby Delutindo, I don't think she would have been able to get to that one. Tied at 11. Maizo. Orendain just got her fingertip on that one. Here's Bautista. Daga pa Jansson. Orendain. Oh, great angle that time, but great reach there from Nerissa Bautista. Maizo. Aplaska, yes!
Well, you can see they're attacking that area. They're trying to put it where the outside hitter is supposed to be.
Ganda ng angulo niya rito. Toink. Yup, there is no one there.
Well, kaya Plaska did it, Orendain was trying to do it. So I think that was part of the instructions of Coach Roger. Whoa!
Almost, but not quite. Oh, Jansson with a one-handed save. Orendain keeps it alive, and Gonzaga gets it across. Makatuno for Soriano. Oh, great reach again from Orendain. Maizo. And here's Bautista punching it across. Jansson. Quick set. Aplaska again!
Very smart play. Aplaska did it earlier. She's doing it again. And why not? Another point for LaSalle.
Wala talaga katao-tao doon para sa Adamson. See it again. Sabi ni Kay, hindi pa ba kayo natututo? Inulog na lang niya doon.
Vasquez was near, actually.
Right.
She just paused for a while and let it go.
Hingpit. Oh, now she runs out of luck. She scored 4 straight aces on that serve earlier.
But you know, for the setters, no, in that earlier play, Hingpit was able to get it across the net. It rolled through, but Makatuno, she was looking at it.
Right.
You don't just let it go. Your body should be, angled that you can see even the serve.
Sabi nga, labi the ball. Bautista beat the ball that time into the blockers. We are now tied at 13 once again. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Makatuno. Orendain, hingpit, Maizo. Off the head of Laborte.
That's right, and Aiza Maizo showing why she was once MVP here, getting into Pao Soriano and Mick Laborte.
Yung power generated here by Aiza Maizo. Boink!
That's not easy, ah.
Well, that's also kind of painful if you're Mick Laborte. Captain Aplaska.
She has a similar serve to
Yeah,
him.
pero ang lakas ng serve niya. Sabi ni Bautista, akala nyo kailangan may kaya doon.
Mas matanda ako sa inyo.
Oo. Wala na naman tao doon sa kanang bahagi ng court or kaliwang bahagi ng court para sa St. Lasal. We are tied at 14. How close do you want this set to be? No team has led by more than 3 points here. Oh my goodness! Aiza Maizo! The crowd wakes up now.
They missed that from
Look at
Aiza
this, look at this.
Maizo.
That is just... How do you stop that?
No blockers.
Oh,
The very tanned Aiza Maizo in your screen.
very good. Here's Makatuno. Bautista! My goodness, it's gonna be power hit against power hit. You can sense it coming. Aiza Maizo against Nerissa Bautista. Palakasan ng hataw.
And that's a familiar matchup.
Right. Especially here in the Shakey's V-League. Bautista on the serve. Orendain, hingpit. Maizo, kept alive by Kinlog,
The net is
is moving.
frantically moving.
That's right. Gonzaga, dug up that time by Benting. Now they go to Benting. Get through the blockers. And how many years has she done that to Aiza Maizo? She does it again. Adamson takes a 1-point lead. We'll be right back.